yɛn mpanyinfo yi nyinaa ɛwɔ ha a wɔta yɛn akyi dwumadi mu ne sɛ nti yɛbɛtoa so yɛmmerɛ no esua. We want to continue the program by reading Philippians 1:12, and to be done by the one who give the sermon. And the one who is going to give the sermon is our brother Katkis Eisinyako. Papa Katki nebusueni pe yeni abena nebusueni ninua onona sabre odi nyame asem ebemaye oye Katkis Presbyterian Church of Ghana. Aniti entibia mubete yeni abema Katkis Eisi enka nenso a meka say me Katkis Robert Ayeti Ofusu, Presbyterian Church of Ghana, Ebenezer Congregation of Osmase, the one I am by Nina Yawo.
Ana de be ku susu ni de be ku enti na wa yese na me de se ni panti se de so for kan ku sese ho a be bo amen o su ni da na de be to sa fro ana ya ko bon ka so ni pe do mu de be ku na ke wa nche de be ku o ka be wa nche de be ku ti se no ko e do a bi fi se bi a o ya na wu a enye na me pe na e be wo ye ni formula
Jesus. Amen. Amen. Jesus. Jesus. Amen.
And a walk and I did Bishop and the what's out to South and the Jesus. I don't young Bible is said. I brought to South Africa for the question.
Amen.
Oh, Jesus, we didn't.
Amen.
Yes, sir. We didn't want to say, you will hold you. Now you are Christ or when in a swamp. Jesus. The young man himself and why did I swap? Now the young could be answered.
Amen.
The advance here. They are paying your Burma project.
Jesus.
I remember what they said. What you fear, see, would you baby? I want what the kind of children and bus na wọn wúlò àkókò yìí láti bus yìí wọ́n ti pa èyí àkọ́kọ́ òsì so bẹ̀ẹ̀ni ọtún náà yẹ máa yẹ sọ wọ́n lọ sọ pẹ̀lú ẹ̀rù tí wọ́n bá pẹ́pẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tú à yẹ máa 5 minutes because wọ́n yẹ ẹ̀rẹ́dì à ẹ̀kọ́ àwọn sí ìdílé tí o èyí ti sọ́mu sẹ́ wọ́n àkọ́kọ́ bishop ní kúrò ní wọ́n bá kọ́ lórí ibi abúlá òye wọ́n yẹ àtúnṣe